Have you ever tried to say something in Spanish and been looked at as if you were speaking Chinese? Yes, it's happened to all of us. But that's over now. Hi, I'm the Spanish Knight, your Spanish coach. And on this channel, you're gonna learn real Spanish from Spain. No BS. I'm gonna teach you the Spanish that we actually speak, not the boring stuff from books. And here, you won't be a passive spectator. For example, right now you're gonna learn some Spanish phrases, and it's not dos cervezas por favor. Repeat after me. Me encanta España. Me encanta España. Me encanta España. Me encanta el español. Me encanta el español. Me encanta el español. Hablar español es muy fácil para mí. Hablar español es muy fácil para mí. Hablar español es muy fácil para mí. ¡Qué guay! 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 Perfect! Now you know how to say how cool like a real Spaniard. Here, you'll learn everything from the basics to expressions that will even surprise native speakers. Discover authentic Spanish culture, and above all, you'll be speaking from day one. Subscribe if you want to go from I don't understand anything to puedo mantener una conversación fluida in less time than you think. And if you want to get started right now, you can download my free pronunciation guide. The link is in the description. See you in the next video. Ciao!